Hello, my friends. Welcome back with another video where we will share our experience. Recently, I tested this Blitz trade platform for trading purpose, and there is no subscription fee. I have found a link in video description I have given to you, so you can also check how you are going to start your new opportunity here. And this platform is also going to give you another DCA bot. Yes, it works differently. So this is the structured execution where you can also get the entry, averaging, and a controlling exit with safe taking profit too. If you are new on the channel Crypto Brainer, you can subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos, and you can get link in video description too. Yes, there you can check the entry. It means your first position. Average, there is also the next and additional entries, and you can also get the reward. This is fully flow that you are going to understand. So you have to be ready, but you can explore all the information here, and you can also get everything in just 4 steps, like creating account, connect exchange, and choose the strategy, start your trading. And this is also there is no withdrawal permission required. Everyone working automatically. You can do anything on this platform. So if you are ready to start your new epic journey with Blade Trade, you can easily sign up your account here. For that, you can also write the email, put the password, and twice time you can accept the terms and condition. In this way, you can easily sign up. After that, we are going to connect API setting. Sign up on BingX, and then you can also go with API. There's Gate.io, Bybit. You can also accept the terms and condition, and then you can also connect your Telegram too. Like here, you can also connect with Telegram, so you can also do all this operation here. And how API can also be connected, you can check out. Now friends, you can check we are on the Gate.io exchange that we are going to connect to our Blitz trade, and here we can also come to main profile in the API management. API key we can also copy it, like here we are also going to write API key, and there are some preferences, so we can also copy our main creating API. And after that, we will also select it to verify it, and it will be connected to this site. And here you can also enable that we are going to use API key for multi-purpose, and we have to just click on the apply option, and our API key will also be pop up here, and we have to accept the terms and condition, click on the agree. And next, you can also check successfully that this process takes only just a minute, and it will also give us a API key with also the password we have to write here. So this is also for another password, and we will also verify it. And here you can also check successfully. There is also the scan QR code too, and as well as API key has been created successfully, so we can also copy that. This is also our main home interface Blitz Trade, where we have to select Gate.io, and this is our API key that we have to write here. And then there is also a secret key that we can also write under that, and here we have to accept it. Now we can also go ahead. This is our main home interface, where we can also start like Gate.io and choosing the next strategy into the board, how many trade it should also started, and we are going to start the board here. So there you can also select it, and give some more information about how much it should also be round that will also take into the trading, and what will be profit in the safe taking profit. So now board have been started now, and we have to click on it, and it will also start the working. And you can also check successfully when we come into the another Bybit. You can also check like that. Here is also the trading board working in the benefit, and there you can also check the green symbol will show you that this is in profit. And it is also the bot Blitz Trade can also increase your experience. It will also give you more benefit and opportunities. Start your new epic journey like this I have shown you, and the board will also show how it will also take some profit. And here you can also check the graph is also working, and it will be analyzed Yes, chart will be analyzed by this Blitz trade bot, and it will also taking automatically trading to even it is in the selling or buying option. Everything is doing perfectly, and we will also show you how it is also lovely trade. And you can also check your new Epic journey here, and if you think that it can also be something that could lead you to financial freedom, you can also participate into it. Link in my video description I will provide. So everything you can see here in a smooth way and transparent. Everyone who want to get their financial freedom, they can check out the link once time, and they will also share this video to your friends if you like, and you get some more benefit to it. And this is about the Blitz trade that we have started. I have shown you what are the main four steps that you are going to use, how API key will be set, and you will get the final result too. So this is about the trade. This is about traders who love trading but they have no experience, they want to learn about it. This is just as a beginning tutorial that you can start your new Epic journey with the Blitz trade. That is also a platform give you experience plus next level journey, and there are already many people who joined and they are also started their new Epic journey too. So I hope you understand everything I have been shared. See you next video. Till then, take care.